Hello and welcome. Bit of a change of scenery today. Today we are down the lane and we are looking for barn owls. So I've been tracking this barn owl since the start of the first lockdown, and I found out where it roosts, but I refuse to film or do any footage down where it roosts as it's a Schedule 1 bird and I don't want to disturb it at its nesting site, so I refuse to do any filming or photography there. So right now the weather's not too nice. It is currently raining, but we're going to go try and find a vantage point where we can see into a couple of fields and see if we can see the barn owl. Right, so I'm down the field now where the barn owl usually turns up, and it's absolutely down and freezing cold and windy. So I've set myself a little corner of the field. So the owl's going to be on the hunt for this time of night. I don't want to make a point of stopping it from getting any food and interrupting its natural behaviour. As much as I want to get some video of this owl, I don't want it to go hungry, especially on a day when it's so cold and windy. So I'll stick around and let's see if we find anything. So the owls just flew past this fence in front of me and then landed in the hedge over here. I'm going to turn my camera and see if I can see it. I'm going to have to go handhold, so sorry if there any bad footage. Cannot get over how much luck that I've just had. Being able to watch the barn owl track the field up and down, looking for its prey and hovering ready to pounce. Not seen it have much luck yet, but it's certainly having a good go at it tonight. I'm going to leave it a little bit longer and then we'll leave the poor thing in peace to make sure that it gets a decent meal tonight. So let's see what we get. See just there in the tree, looks to be a kestrel, and kestrels have been known to actually steal the prey from barn owls. So hopefully this one will leave our little barn owl alone today and help him hopefully get some successful hunts in.